Hi students, I'm your social ma'am from Meghna International Higher Secondary School. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 1 geography, the universe and solar system. Refer book page number 173 to 183. In this lesson, we are going to focus on the universe and the members of the solar system, the motions of the earth and the four spheres of the earth. Universe is the vast expansion of space. Numerous celestial bodies together with stars is known as universe. Big Bang and cosmology. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called Big Bang. The study of universe is called cosmology. Celestial bodies. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. These are collectively known as celestial bodies. Light year. Light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies. Meghna students, listen carefully the meaning for the following words. Celestial bodies, an object visible in the sky such as planet. Comets, an object that moves around the sun, usually at a great distance from it, which is seen on rare occasions from the earth as a bright line in the sky. Meteoroids, a small body moving in the solar system that would become a meteor if it entered the Earth's atmosphere. Natural satellites. A natural satellite is a moon. There are 205 known natural satellites in the solar system. Galaxy means a huge cluster of stars which are held together by gravitational force. There are 6 types of galaxies. They are elliptical, spiral, band spiral, irregular galaxy, peculiar, and lenticular. Students, we are going to know about the hierarchy of the universe. Universe, galaxy, solar system, planets and satellites. Solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. The sun is extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. The sun is a star. It is the source of light and heat energy to the entire solar system. Now students, we are going to know about the planets. The word planet means wanderer. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner or terrestrial planets. The last 4 planets are called as outer planets or Jovian planets or gaseous giants. Meghna students, carefully listen the mnemonic order of planets. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. Here M stands for Mercury, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. It is named after the Roman deity messenger to the gods. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is also called morning star and evening star. Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is also called blue planet or watery planet. It is the only planet known to support life because of the presence of land, air and water. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. It is also called the red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is called a gas giant planet. It has the largest number of natural satellites. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Saturn has many rings around it which are made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of the sky. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman god of sea. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. Now students, read about the motions of the Earth. Motions of the Earth. The Sun is seen in the east in the morning, overhead in the afternoon, and the sun sets in the west in the evening. This is because of the constant moving of the Earth around the Sun. Motions of the Earth are two types. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation. It is the spinning movement of the Earth on its axis. The time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation is called a day. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Revolution. It is the movement of the Earth around the Sun on its elliptical path. The Earth takes 365 quarter days for it to complete one revolution. Thus, an year gets 365 days. The quarter day is added once in every 4 years and hence we get a leap year. The revolution of Earth around the Sun causes seasons. You can see the picture of revolution of the Earth. Team Meghna students, we are going to learn the four spheres of the Earth. Lithosphere, land on which we live. Hydrosphere consists of water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Atmosphere, the envelope of air that surrounds the Earth. Biosphere, narrow belt of interaction among lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Where life exists is called biosphere. We have come to the wrap-up of the lesson, Meghna students. The universe was formed 15 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Many galaxies are found in the universe. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun is so huge that it accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. All planets rotate anti-clockwise on their own axis except Venus and Uranus. Asteroids are found as a belt between Mars and Jupiter. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The revolution of the Earth causes season. Summer solstice is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. The presence of land, water and air along with suitable climate makes life possible on Earth. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next session, Team Meghna.